Volvo has always been synonymous with safety, luxury, and Scandinavian elegance. But in 2025, they've taken things to a whole new level with the all-new Volvo XC90. Is this the best luxury SUV of the year? Stick around as we dive deep into everything this stunning machine has to offer. From its striking new design to cutting-edge technology and an electrified powertrain, the 2025 XC90 is built to impress. Let's start with what you see first: the exterior. The 2025 Volvo XC90 maintains its signature minimalist Scandinavian design, but with a sharper, more futuristic look. The iconic Thor's hammer LED headlights have been redesigned to be even sleeker, flowing seamlessly into the bold new grille. The sculpted bodywork and aerodynamic enhancements give it a commanding presence, while the 22-inch alloy wheels and flush door handles add to its modern appeal. And check out these taillights. Volvo's signature vertical light design now features an animated welcome sequence, making sure you leave an impression wherever you go. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure Scandinavian luxury. Volvo has outdone itself with sustainable materials like recycled wool and responsibly sourced wood, giving the XC90 an eco-conscious yet premium feel. The massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen is powered by an upgraded Google-based operating system, seamlessly integrating with your smartphone and offering an intuitive user experience. Plus, a fully digital driver's display and a heads-up display ensure you have all the crucial information right in your line of sight. Under the hood, Volvo has fully embraced electrification. The 2025 XC90 comes with two powertrain options: a plug-in hybrid with an impressive 455 horsepower and an all-electric variant with a range of up to 300 miles. The plug-in hybrid offers an electric-only range of around 50 miles, perfect for your daily commute without using a drop of gas. And when you need that extra power, the combined electric and turbocharged engine delivers seamless acceleration. With Volvo's advanced air suspension system, you can switch between comfort and dynamic modes, ensuring a smooth ride on any terrain. So, is the 2025 Volvo XC90 the perfect luxury SUV? With its stunning design, high-tech interior, and electrified performance, it's definitely a top contender. But what do you think? Would you take this over a BMW X7 or a Mercedes GLS? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay stylish.